In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate proposal creation after discovery calls. If you're tired of manually drafting proposals after every call and want a faster, more efficient solution, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, because I'll give you a quick and effective way to streamline your process, saving you time while keeping your proposals consistent. First, let's talk about why automating proposal creation is a game changer. After a discovery call, you likely gather tons of information about your prospect's needs, goals, and pain points. Rather than spending time piecing everything together manually, automating this process ensures you're delivering customized proposals quickly and accurately without missing important details. Now, to get started, you'll need the right software. I've tested a bunch of the most popular tools out there, and today I'm going to share the one I found works best for this exact task. This software pulls in information from your discovery call and helps you automatically generate a proposal that aligns with what your client is looking for. It's incredibly intuitive and saves hours of work. I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to follow along and give it a try. So, how does the automation actually work? Here's a quick overview. Once your discovery call is over, you'll simply input the key details into the software. This could include the services discussed, the project scope, and any unique client needs that came up during your conversation. The software will take this data and, using pre-designed templates, auto-generate a proposal that's personalized for your client. What makes it even better is the flexibility. You can adjust the proposal's content, tweak sections, or add custom information in just a few clicks. You're not locked into a single template. This software lets you customize while keeping things automated. Plus, everything's professionally formatted, so no need to worry about the presentation. It's all taken care of for you. Once the proposal is ready, you can send it out with a single click, all while tracking when your client opens it. Some tools even offer analytics, letting you know if the client has viewed specific sections. This is a huge plus if you need to follow up or have a deeper conversation on a particular topic. To recap, automating proposal creation after discovery calls not only saves time, but ensures that every proposal is tailored to your client's needs. You don't have to spend hours formatting or worrying about leaving out key information. Just input the details and the software does the heavy lifting. Key takeaway: automating your proposal creation after discovery calls is essential for boosting productivity and maintaining consistency across your client communications. With the right software, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what really matters: closing deals and growing your business. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I'm using, linked in the description below. It's the perfect way to test it out and see how much time you can save.